What's up, guys? It's Arib here, and I'm going to have a quick chat about what's been going on with Canada's cell phone service. If you're a Telus customer, do you know that your data has been turned over to the government, to the Public Health Agency of Canada? So this was kind of leaked. A reporter kind of was leaking it basically, and then they kind of came clean. So they're admitting to tracking 33 million mobile devices during our lockdowns here in Canada. So it's quite a large spying program. And if you don't know already, we're also part of the NSA's PRISM Five Eyes spying network. We're one of the primary members of that. So it's quite concerning that they didn't ask anyone's consent to do any of this. They're saying that they did it for the greater good. But of course, that's what all governments always say. So they're trying to minimize it, trying to say that the data was anonymized and randomized, and they used the data to evaluate the effectiveness of public lockdown measures. So I don't know if it was really necessary to spy on Canadians more than they already are. I mean, they're already tracking us in illegal ways through the PRISM network. They took it one step further, though, to actually get Telus to hand over customer data. Now they're saying it's only the cell phone towers, but as you guys know, the cell phone towers can be used to triangulate your exact position, essentially, within a very close range in most cases. Telus voluntarily provided this data, and that's just what they do. You have other people, that are more kind of in touch with how this works, like David Lyon from the Pandemic Surveillance and former director of the Surveillance Studies Center at Queen's University. He's right. I agree that us as the public will not find out much about other unauthorized surveillance activities before the pandemic's over, right? And afterwards, this was kind of one leak. And I also agree with what Lyon says here. Yeah, that the PHAC uses the same kind of reassuring language as National Security Agency use. De-identified, anonymized, metadata. But if it wasn't to be used for tracking in a specific way, it wouldn't just be randomized to find kind of the overall movements of people. There's many other ways they can do that. They can use traffic cameras, other cameras that are available. There's many ways they can do that. I think they just wanted to do it in a slightly more legal way to surveil the public. So what do you guys think? I think it's quite concerning personally for myself. And it's kind of outrageous that this money is being used. We're paying Telus, and then Telus is making money to illegally give our data to the government. So yeah, it's quite interesting. We're getting more and more evidence of this stuff going on here. So I'll just quickly talk about PRISM a little bit here, just this one source here, Policy Alternatives from Canada here. It kind of sums it up, and I've talked about this with many of you before, friends and family, and I say it as a fact, and the fact that was well known well before the leak. The NSA is given direct access to Microsoft, Apple, Google, AOL, YouTube, Skype, Yahoo, Paltalk, Facebook. You have to assume, really, it's any Western big tech company. So I don't know why they would exclude Amazon from that list. Yeah, to one more thing as well is the situation of Huawei. So they've been banned, by the U.S. Is all they concerned about spying. I'm going to leave it off here and say that could it just be that the Huawei network is not that they're being banned because they're concerned Huawei is going to spy on us? Could it be that, if they get Huawei in, is it not going to be very compatible with the PRISM spying network that we have here as one of the Five Eyes? So could that be the real reason why they want to ban Huawei? It's just not a compatible solution for the surveillance we have going on here. What are your thoughts, guys? Anyway, that's just my quick thought on this situation. What do you guys think? Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope everyone's doing well. See you guys next time.